This Dream League live game, we've got an exciting match ahead.
Here's Van Dijk.
Benzema on the run. Bruno Fernandes with a shot. Keeper stayed strong.
Oh, that's a really dangerous cross.
It's now Saliba.
Courtois has got it now. Oh, and dispossessed there. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. The passing has been pretty poor today. It's a throw-in. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Lovely passing here.
Good defending. He's headed the ball forward.
He's got the goal in his sights. Oh, it's in. Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. Can they hold on to the lead?
Vicious pass. Played wide. This is Haaland. Pulls the trigger. Off the woodwork. So close. He's waiting to pull the trigger. Whipped in.
Brilliant goal. They're right back in it. And they're back in the game thanks to his efforts. They'll push for the lead now.
Now it's Vinicius. Fernandes running at pace. That's a rash challenge there.
And it's opened up here.
A neat finish. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now.
It's Son.
Here's his chance.
Goodness me, that was close.
And that's a midway point. It's 2-1 and both teams have found the net, but one team have the advantage. He attempts a long pass. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Alexander-Arnold with a tackle. It's well won by Alaba.
He steps up to steal the ball. Nodded on. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left, simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. The referee gets the game back underway.
Now it's Vinicius. Short throw from the keeper. Bellingham with the ball.
This is Courtois with a save.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
Well read.
As you can see from the team's performance, this hasn't been what the manager would have wanted. Here's Ronaldo. He shoots. That sailed wide of the goal.
Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. They're behind and they'll need to get something here with this attack.
Good, clean challenge.
Mbappe!
He got his body in the way. Helps it on. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. A fantastic team goal.